See, I tried to stay on it that time. Guess what happened? Pulled that foot off because I get nervous. Dummy. Right on the same spot as I fell before. Oh. Yeah. Damn. Oh, shit.
You got a little something on your forehead. Oh, is that? Yeah.
Oh, let me walk that one off. Oh. Whew. That was awesome.
Yeah? Now it's on the side of your cheek now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is. You got it.
Oh, man.
No, you got something else on your forehead. Yeah, you're good. You fell on the same side?
Huh?
You fell on the
right
same
on the same spot, man.
Oh.
Let's try it again. Don't they make hip pads? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna fall again on that, and I'm gonna be done.
That's alright. 3's good.
Yeah, 3's the charm.